Alright, so this is Christian. You've seen him before in the van videos. So he started his own YouTube channel, making videos of this sexy thing. This thing's a lot nicer looking than mine.
Automotive Freak. You better put the link in the description.
We'll see.
No. You better be putting that in there. Plug.
Anyways, he made this thing. This is a sign I made in my manufacturing class, and he puts these thick look at those thick and ass welds on here.
Those are nasty, but they hold.
They hold good. So he's gonna spray paint the front, and he's gonna hook this thing up.
Probably spray paint the whole thing.
So which one are you hooking?
Bayou. I'm not putting it on this piece. This is my baby.
He's gonna put it on the front of this thing as a crash bar, and then we're gonna try it out.
There is playlist, like we're gonna be doing videos of this. This is a Rice 4-wheeler. It's on the first video on my YouTube channel. Is Rice 4-wheeler. So if you guys want to check it out, it's kind of bad. Suck at editing, but getting used to it now.
So right now Christian's getting this thing all set up for welding.
Gotta bend this a little bit.
How's that gonna mount on here?
I'm gonna be welding it onto the plate that I weld onto here.
So you're actually gonna just fully weld it onto here?
Yeah.
So it's not gonna be detachable?
No.
Just gotta sand it, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a grinder, so if I want to take it off, I just fucking grind it off.
Holy hell. At least your welds are good, it's not coming off.
Line it up. So I don't know.
What are you doing there? What's that?
I wasn't not recording.
What?
Yeah.
Are you leaving my channel?
Well, maybe. You guys let us know if you want us to have the same channel, make separate videos, but all on the same channel, or separate channels.
I feel betrayed.
Hey.
Well, at least
I'm getting content.
Well, at least I don't start recording it without recording. I've never seen Christian weld yet.
I'm kind of shit because this is a shit welder. But
yeah, I was about to say this thing looks kind of, haggard a little bit.
Yeah, it was like $100, but it's all you need.
I guess the job done.
Yeah. Not the best welds, but they hold.
Oh shit. The sticks.
These are so small compared to the ones I bought. I bought E7018. If you welder guys out there know what that is. E7018 stick welder. This is a 110, so it's got to use real small ones. I don't know exactly what ones these are. It's the ones that came with them because I bought the wrong ones. But the E7018 are like 3 times the size of these.
Holy shit.
So I'm just letting this warm up.
I'll be fine. Welds are not even that bright.
Yeah, whatever you say, Captain.
I'll be fine, like honestly. Alright, so you see when you use shit welders, you need to do hella prep work.
Well, no, with any welder, this is powder coated, so when you put the negative on here, because when you weld it you gotta have a negative on the base metal, and then your positive is the actual welder, in my case the stick welder. So when you put the negative on here, all this paint's going to be covering it, so it's not going to get any connection through it. Even if I have it connected to the Wisconsin sign, it still wouldn't weld on here because it's powder coated and you don't get a good connection. All I gotta do is I'm gonna be welding it on each side and maybe the top a little bit. So I'm just gonna grind down the little paint that's on each of these sides.
No.
hands in the air.
No. Now let go.
Not yet. I'll hold it. Can you get on that side?
Yeah. Ooh, this should stink.
Just hold it right there. Oh.
Shit. Your weld wasn't really that strong.
That's because of the paint.
I let go.
Yeah, you can let go.
God, what the? Nice one.
That just burned right
God
through
damn it, dumb.
Ah, fuck! Oh, I know I burned my gloves!
God dang it! Oh, first he does that shit.
Alright, give me my gloves back. Give me my riding gloves. Give my gloves back.
Dude, you got this place fucking clouded out. We're gonna die. Holy shit. We're gonna let all the heat out.
Well, you wanna die?